Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can find the area and volume of cube. Let's start today's lecture. Before lecture, we try to understand what is cube. Cube has six sides. Cube has six sides. Understand? Upward, downward, left, right, inward, and outward. Right? It has six sides. And second thing is most important for cube is each side is square. These are the two important conditions for a cube. Got it? And now we try to derivate the formula of square, derivate the area of cube. For example, to understand this definition, for example, I have a side x, here will be a side x. We already know that each side is square. For example, if I wanted to take the one patch of the cube, here let's suppose here is the patch of the cube like this way, right? And we know the area of square. For example, here is x, here is x. Try to formula of the area of cube. We already know that the area of square is x square, right? And we have six sides. One already six. We can simply multiply by 6. So we get the formula of cube is 6x square. Reason is that simple x square is the formula of square. When you multiply by 6, it means it becomes the formula of cube. Right? Now we try to find out what is this is the formula of cube. Now we try to find out how we can find out the volume of the cube. Let's start. For example, here is this is the height, this is one side, this is the second side, and this is the third side. So volume of the cube will be volume of cube is this length, width into height. And we already know that each side of cube is same. So simple multiply by x, multiply by x, multiply by x. So volume will become x cube. So volume of cube is this. Now we try to find out the area. Now we try to find out the volume. This is the volume of the cube. Now we try to find all this value by numerically. We take simple an example and try to find out some values. For example, I have find the volume and cube. Find the volume and area of cube having side 3 meters. Let's suppose we have one length, and for example, we have one length. How you can find out the volume? Simply, we know that. Now we try to find the values. For example, we know that area of volume. So area of volume is 6x square. So here is the value of x. So 6 into 3 square. So 6 multiplied by 9. 7. So after multiplying by 6, so we get 54 meter cube. So area will become this. Now we try to find out the volume of the cube. We know that formula will be volume is equal to x cube. Simple, putting the value in this way, 3x cube it is equal to, here will be meter square and here will be 27 meter cube. So this is the requirement values. You can find out the volume and area of the volume of the cube. Here I'm gonna to start my lectures. If you have any query, you give me a comment. I will give you the answer in next video. So till next video, bye bye.